How to find Discord ID. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can find Discord ID. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. First of all, open up a web browser and head over to your Discord. So make sure you're logged in into your Discord. And after you've done that, after you're on your Discord, you'll need to head over to your user settings first. So tap on your user settings. After you're on your user settings, on the left hand side, scroll till you find advanced. Tap on advanced and enable the developer mode. After you've enabled the developers mode, what you can then do is go to any channel. So let's go to any channel, and on the channel you can find the members. After you find the members list, tap on any username or profile. Then you can copy their user ID or Discord name, and that's how you do it. Now you can copy the user ID from here, and that's basically it. Tap on the three dots and then tap on copy user ID. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.